Hi friends, I am Rehana. Welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to make Kerala Appam in a quick way. The highlight of this recipe is that the batter will be ready to cook in 20 minutes. For this recipe, you don't need to soak any rice overnight and you don't need to let the batter sit for a long time or overnight, unlike the traditional Kerala Appam Batter Recipe. So let's get started. All you need to do is mix all ingredients together and keep it aside for 10 minutes. I have taken 3 glasses of rice flour. To this add 1 glass of cooked Matta rice, 1 glass of grated coconut, 4 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon active dry yeast and quarter teaspoon baking powder. Add salt to taste. I have taken here quarter teaspoon and add 3 glasses of water. Mix everything together. I would recommend that you first mix all the ingredients together in a separate bowl before grinding it to a watery consistency in the grinder. If you put all the ingredients directly without mixing in the bowl, some of the ingredients might settle at the bottom and side of the grinder. Now the mixture is ready. I am pouring this into a steel vessel. See, this is the required consistency. The consistency is little more watery than the dosa batter. Now you have to cover the vessel. If you live in a warm climate like I do, then you can just leave the batter at room temperature. However, if you live in a cold climate, you can keep some warm water in a bigger bowl and place the appam batter vessel into it. After 10 minutes, we can open and check. The appam batter has doubled in size and it's ready to make the appam. Now to a hot pan, pour batter and cook the appam. Traditionally, the appam is made in a deep bottomed pan, but you can make in any pan which is available with you. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share with your friends and family. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon in another episode with another simple recipes and some quick tips like this. Till that time, you all take care and bye bye.